What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-Minute Garden Tip, I'm going to show you the cheapest way to fill your raised garden beds with soil. There are a ton of videos on YouTube showing you how to reduce your costs when filling your raised garden beds, and that usually includes things like burying logs and wood chips at the bottom of the raised garden beds to minimize the amount of soil that you have to buy to fill them. And this method of cost reduction, called hugelkultur, is fine, but it's only valid when your raised garden beds are deeper than 18 inches. That's because your first 18 inches of soil should be just that, garden soil. So if your raised garden beds are like mine and they are 18 inches and shallower, you can't use this method at all. If you have raised garden beds that are deeper than 18 inches, you can use it at the very low depths of the bed, but you still have to source affordable garden soil for the top 18 inches. So what do? Get on Google Maps and look up a local mulch yard. You should have several to choose from in your area. Most mulch yards will already have a raised garden bed mix that they have available on site for delivery. Usually it is a blend of topsoil, compost, and manure. That is what I source locally. Then you order it by the dump truck load by the cubic yard and you have it delivered to your home. This is the easiest and cheapest way to get bulk garden soil. Then you'll just use a wheelbarrow or a dump cart to fill your raised garden beds. It's a little bit more work this way, but you'll save a ton of money, and hey, it's pretty good exercise. Typically, when you buy soil like this, you'll pay a flat delivery fee, and then on top of that delivery fee, you will pay per cubic yard. So since you are paying a flat fee for the truck, it is usually in your best interest to get as much as possible or as much as you can handle. I only needed 5 cubic yards of garden soil in order to fill all of my new raised beds, but I ordered a full 8 cubic yards to get my average cost per cubic yard down as low as possible because I wanted to use that compost to fertilize all of my fruit trees as well. And that is exactly what I did. I paid the flat $70 delivery fee and loaded the truck up to its max. So for only $250, I was able to fill all of my brand new raised garden beds, top off my existing raised garden beds with fresh compost, and fertilize literally every single fruit tree in my entire yard. Doing this will save you a ton of money over buying bags like this, and I think it's actually less work overall. And it's certainly a lot less plastic waste. And that's today's 2-Minute Garden Tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.